If you open up your dishwasher and notice that the top shelf is crooked, this is a Samsung dishwasher. What you can do temporarily, they have these brackets on the side right here, and you can just push this top tab in and drop the shelf, and that'll make it at least even so you can close the shelf and close the dishwasher. I don't even know this dishwasher had these brackets until one of them broke and we found the shelf like that. So turns out you can order these brackets on Amazon. Come in a 2-pack so they can be replaced. So let's go ahead and try to put a new one on that side. Alright, so notice that you have the 2 brackets and the little tabs on them are facing opposite directions. So this one faces this way and these tabs face this way. So that means these only go on one side. So let's take this one. If I put it up next to that one, you'll notice that the tabs are facing the same way. So that's the one for that side. So I need to get the other one to install it on the other side. Alright, so the way to do this, now you'll notice there's a slot in this piece. And you want the tabs facing towards the back, opening towards the back. So that's how I know I have the right one. So I'm going to try to get this piece here into the slot first. So I can come at it like this from the side. I can pull back, I'm going to pull back on that slot and get it in. And see, I've already got it started, so now I just need to slide it all the way on. And I need just this row of tabs to be above this cross piece. So I need to push down a little bit until it pops into place. There you go. So once it pops in, you just slide the whole thing onto these pieces. They'll clip on like that. So there, it clicks into place. It's in there. The shelf has 2 positions, down or up. So it's down right now. I'm going to push the tabs on both sides and raise. Now I'm at the top position. Or at the bottom. So you ain't got to call the dishwasher repairman. Fix it yourself. If this was helpful at all, just give it a thumbs up. See you next time.